Fiscal allocation is one of the most important parts of every real estate transaction. And today I'm right here at Silverstone Estate, and we conducted yet another fiscal allocation to a set of our clients who bought plots in Silverstone Estate Phase 2. So Silverstone Estate Phase 2 is located in Ogbeke here in the city of Enugu. It is just off the Enugu-Nsukka Express Road, and there's amazing development happening in this location. Currently, a plot in this estate is selling for 3.5 million naira, and that covers for the land and then the land document. And the good thing about this estate is that once you buy, you are getting an instant allocation. And in case if you want to pay on installment, probably you don't have the complete money to buy a plot in this estate, you can pay on installment where you make 1 million naira initial deposit, and then you can spread the remaining balance across 3 months. And the good thing about this estate, it has amazing landmarks. It has the likes of landmark Nike Lake Resort. There's a Lim Estate, there's Vivian Estate, and a couple of other estates situated in this location. Now, if you're an investor who is looking for a land banking property that you can buy in the city of Enugu that is affordable and genuine, or if you're an investor who is mindful of capital appreciation, Silverstone Estate is that property that you can put your money and you are sure of getting high return on investment. And the most important part of this property is that it is still selling on a pre-launch price of 3.5 million naira. That means if you buy now, you'll get to enjoy the future appreciation that will happen in this estate. So just go ahead, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen, and I will bring you here for a free inspection, help you secure a plot or more. And once you buy, you are getting an instant allocation, just like the couple of our clients that got their allocation today. So once you buy, you are getting your allocation. So I look forward to getting your call.